Good morning, my dear boys of class 11. Today I am going to teach you structure of heart and what is the function of circulatory system and effect of exercise on circulatory system. Circulatory system is the system which transport oxygen, nutrients, hormone, carbon dioxide and other cellular waste products to and from the heart, from the organs to the heart, from the heart to the organs. तो ये टू वे इट वर्क्स, टू वे वर्क इज देयर. One, supply of nutrients and other collection of waste products, deoxygenated blood for again repurification. So these two way action work is performed by our circulatory system. All the organs get oxygenated blood, pure blood, and they work properly, and heart plays a crucial role in this, and heart is the main circulatory organ. The other organs of circulatory system apart from heart are blood vessels, that is arteries and veins, etc. Heart functions like a pump and maintains the circulation of blood throughout the body. It circulates pure blood from various organs, so that they can perform well, they can continue their work, and collects deoxygenated blood with carbon dioxide to the, it collects and sends it to lungs for purification. So this is the main function of heart. Now how? The right side of the heart or the right auricle, it receives deoxygenated blood from the various organs of the body except lungs को छोड़ के, through the two major vessels, superior vena cava and inferior vena cava. It receives deoxygenated blood, impure blood, and it sends to lungs. The left ventricle receives the oxygenated blood from lungs, and through 4 pulmonary veins, heart again sends it to the different organs so that they can perform their work well. So this is the main function of heart, to send the impure blood to the lungs for purification, and to supply the oxygenated blood, pure blood, to the organs of the body. Now functions of blood. What are the functions of blood? Functions of blood क्या क्या है? Now, to carry oxygen from lungs to the tissues and carbon dioxide from tissues to the lungs. This is two-way work. It is performed by, आखिर खून के साथ ही तो nutrients, oxygen जाता है सारे organs में. Number 2, to carry nutrients absorbed in the intestine to body tissues. This is another function of blood. It carries metabolic waste produced by the cells to the kidneys for excretion में मदद करते हैं. It helps to maintain the level of water. It helps us to be hydrated, and it helps in maintaining the amount of water in the body. Function of blood. Blood plays a crucial role, perhaps the most important role, in regulating the body temperature. ये भी हार्ट का काम है. And white blood cells, WBC, it defends against all the harmful substances, toxin, viruses, etc. So these are the functions of heart. So in the next video we will be coming with the next topic. Today up to this. Thank you so much.